All right, guys, it's Simon Simaan, owner and broker of the Simon Simaan Group right here in beautiful, rainy, historic Winter Garden. And I'm standing right in front of the Plant Street Market. It's a great place to shop. Guys, we're all about supporting small businesses. They have over 20 vendors. And here's a secret. The best steak is right here. Look, I went to the steakhouse the other night and I had a little bitty tiny Costco sampler steak. And I paid an exorbitant amount for that bill. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, there's no way a steak is worth that. And if you stay tuned and watch to the very end, yours truly, Chef Simon, I'm gonna teach you how to make the best steak possible. So without further ado, let's go inside and check out what the Plant Street Market has to offer. Let's go. Tomahawk, I had that. Yeah, some good marbling on that one. Perfect. Are you selling outside Florida too, or only in Florida at the moment? But I think on the website they had like Ohio or something. Or... Okay. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour of Plant Street Market. They're open 7 days a week. Small business, they love us. They love us so much they put on the receipt, "Thank you for your business." Isn't that awesome? They have live music every weekend. It's a great place to be, great place to check it out. And I promised you I will give you the best steak recipe in the beginning of this video. I'm not gonna leave you hanging. I'm gonna take care of you. Here's what you do. Back in the day, I used to sear my steaks, where I would basically put the steaks on the skillet, sear them, toss them in the oven, put some truffle butter on it, bada boom, bada bing, done. Now, I've learned a way. It changed my life forever. These delicious steaks are gonna be reverse seared. You're wondering, reverse sear, what the heck is that, Simon? It's simple. Set your grill to 225 degrees. Throw these steaks on there. Make sure they sit outside the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Seasoning, simple. Just salt, smoked cracked pepper, that's it. Both sides, 30 minutes. Make sure all that stuff gets really tender. Throw the steaks on the grill. When they have an internal temperature of 120 degrees for about an hour or so, remove the steaks off the grill. Crank that bad boy up to 500 degrees, throw the steaks back on. Now I'm a medium rare kind of guy, so I'll do it to about 130 degrees internal temperature. Take the steaks off the grill, let it sit for 5-10 minutes. It's a big mistake when you cut the steak. You're robbing the steak of all that delicious juices inside. Don't do that, guys. Stop it. If I'm gonna come to your house and tell you, stop. So let it sit for 5-10 minutes, then put some truffle butter on top, slice the steaks. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. There's no need to go to overpriced steakhouses. Do steaks at home. Come to the Plant Street Market. Check out the local butcher. I promise you, you're gonna absolutely love that guy. And Crooked Can Brewery, they have over 12 craft brews every single week. And they have live music, so come check it out. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you let me know how you made the steaks. Hopefully you didn't burn them. If you did burn them, don't tell your wives or anybody that I did it, all right? It's you guys, it's all you. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our other videos. Stay safe, guys. And until then, every home has a story. Let us tell yours. And let me make my beautiful wife these beautiful steaks. See you guys in the next one. Ciao.